Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Here we are. I've had coronavirus for the last 2 weeks, so I've been kind of cooped up. Let me show you what I've been working on. This is what I'm gonna call the frankenhammer. Frankenhammer made out of all the pieces I happen to have laying around. Haven't used it yet on anything. Got some steel in the forge, some coil spring. We're gonna try it out. Let me show you what I did. So up here I got a leaf spring. Ignore it, it needs a little bit of cleaning up. Bolts are still a little loose. Only gonna do 2 or 3 hammers. Don't worry about it. Gotta figure out gotta go get some Loctite. So I got a leaf spring going over to a hammer. Got an empty tube, gonna maybe fill it with sand. Kind of a dead blow action. Made some removable dies out of some overload spring from a leaf spring. Got this motor down here with a foot pedal. This is a clutch motor, so when I hit the foot, so it spins, I hit the foot pedal and it goes. Thank you, Joe. Over here to a pulley, a couple of pillow blocks, and then around here I've got a crank set up with a old skateboard wheel wrapped in some steel, and then up to the leaf spring. All it does is go up and down. Here we go, we're gonna try it out. Let me put on my hearing protection because it's loud, and some safety glasses. Sorry about that. Here we go, power it on. It's on, but see, it's not moving. How sweet is that? Okay, here we go. Steel out of the fire. Nice and hot. Yeah, does pretty good. Pretty good. Back in the fire. Check on all the things. This bolt obviously needs tightened. This one needs some Loctite. These hold downs need a little tighter. It's not tight at all. This wood base might not work. That's good. This is good. These are good. That's good. Looks like just these bolts up here. This works all right. I might change it up. Right now I've just got it waxed for a little bit of slippery. Still running. Here we go again. Let's do another heat. Try it the other way, see what we get. 50-pound sandbag I'm gonna throw on the back end. So far, so good. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. It's a lot easier than swinging a hammer. Nice hot on the round area. Here we go. Woo, that piece is breaking off. Gotta weld that on better. I'm using a crappy Harbor Freight welder. Not awesome for this, but got the job. There goes the other one. Alright, alright, alright. Obviously got some tweaks. I want to try something. So I got this on here for a hammer surface, but also, whoa, just kidding, not gonna do that. This was welded onto this pipe. Alright, guess we're done. Done with that. Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna do some fixes, obviously, and some tweaks, and I'll post another video.